Okay. So second theme is our coding. So in this coding contest, we are having two different categories. So in this category one, we are going to create a animation challenge, which is using a Scratch to create a story teller. Okay, so this is the category one animation challenge. We are going to use a Scratch software to build a story. So regarding this story challenge, the participation will use Scratch, a visual programming language, to create the entire animation and their stories. Students can develop their ideas by characters, scenes, and movements, which will available in the Scratch. So once their animation is complete, students will take a one short video of that animation and then will upload that video along with that Scratch program. Okay, and you need to clearly explain the story you created in that Scratch. That will be clearly explained in that video. So the theme for this animation challenge is we are having three different themes for your storyteller challenge. So in this animation, so the first one is adventures in space. You can create an animation about exploring space, traveling to new planets, or meeting aliens. So yeah, so that is the first interesting theme, adventure in space. The second one is a future city. So it's all about imagine and animate what city might look like in a future with futuristic technological vehicles. So just imagine about how 2050 or 2000 or 3000 future city looks. So you can imagine and you can create those animations in using this Scratch tool. So third one is the underwater world. So in this theme, you can animate an underwater adventure showcasing the different sea creatures, coral reefs, and the beauty of the oceans. So these are the three interesting themes which we are going to do with the Scratch Storyteller Animation Challenge. So the rules for this storyteller animation challenge is children should use the Scratch software to create these animations, and they should provided teams only. And this competition and this contest is only for individual participants. The time limit for animation is minimum of 1 minute to maximum of 2 minutes. So these are the time limit you should create your animations. And for the originality, the animation and its storyline must be the original creation. You can use a Scratch library for sprites and background, whether you can paint your backgrounds and sprites in the Scratch, but it should be your original creation. Okay. And for the video presentation, after completing the animation, the participant must submit the video presentation explaining their project and their creative process. So the submission deadline, both the videos and Scratch project link must be submitted by the competition deadline. So these are the rules for this Scratch Storyteller Animation Challenge. So the next video submission format is you can introduce yourself in that video along with your name, grade, and your school, and give you a brief introduction about your themes and your contest. So in this story line explanation, you just given a summary of your storyline in that video, and you just show animations in that video. So animation walkthrough showcase the Scratch project, highlighting the key points, characters, scenes, and moments, and any interesting features they included. Okay, so the creative insights is reflect on what they learned. You can finally you can conclude the uh, video with your summary thoughts and what are the challenges you are sorry during this animation challenge and how you used the Scratch tool to create a interesting story teller using this animation. Yeah, so the video requirement is the maximum duration of the video is 3 minutes, and the video format is either MP4 or MOV. So the video submission, you can either upload your video to the Google Drive and you can share the link in that submission form, or else you can upload that video to your YouTube channel and submit the link. So while uploading your video to the Google Drive, kindly give the view access to anyone with the link. So that is very important so that we can have access to view your video. Okay. So the submission, uploading the video along with your the Scratch code. So that is very important. Okay. And for the language, you can speak any more, but mostly English or we are requesting you can try to speak in English. But if you're not good at in English, you can go ahead with your spoken. Yeah. So the final selection criteria for this Scratch Storyteller animation challenges, 30 points for creativity and storytelling. So basically, creativity is how you are uh, presented that animation in that video, and 40 points for animation execution, which is your the software part, which that animation you created in that Scratch software, and 20 points for your presentation, how we are communicating in that video, and 10 points for uses of Scratch features. So how we are efficiently using the Scratch tools and other features in that video. So these are the selection criteria, Scratch, Storyteller, and